This is a simple if statement, where the part not value is the condition. In this, if is a keyword. Not is a keyword, and value can be of any data type. The value must evaluate to either true or false. Suppose for a given value, the condition is true, then the statements inside the if block are executed. If the condition is false, then the statements inside the if block are not executed.
Now, let us see the flow of this statement for values of different data types. Suppose if the value is of type Boolean, and the value is false, then the condition becomes true, and the statements inside the if block execute. If in case the value is true, then the condition becomes false, and the statements inside the if block do not execute.
Suppose if the value is a string, and it is an empty string, the Boolean equivalent of an empty string is false. Then the condition becomes true, and the statements inside the if block execute. If in case the value is not an empty string, the Boolean equivalent of a non-empty string is true. Then the condition becomes false, and the statements inside the if block do not execute. In summary, the if block executes if the value is an empty string. Suppose if the value is a collection object, like a list, set tuple, or dictionary, and the given value is an empty collection, the Boolean equivalent of an empty collection is false. Then the condition becomes true, and the statements inside the if block execute. If in case the value is not an empty collection, the Boolean equivalent of a non-empty collection is true. Then the condition becomes false, and the statements inside the if block do not execute. In summary, the if block executes if the value is an empty collection.
Now let us go through some programs. Take a Boolean value of false, write the if not statement with the value, and a print statement inside the if block. And run the program. For the given value of false, the if block executes. Now let us write an else block for the if statement. Else block executes when the condition is false. Write a print statement inside the else block. And run the program. As in the previous run, for the given value of false, the if block executes. Change the value to true. And run the program. For the given value of true, else block executes.
Now let us consider that the value is a string. Take an empty string and value. Modify the print statements. And run the program. For empty string value, the if block executes. Now change the value to a string, apple, and run the program. For the given value, else block executes.
Now, let us consider a list object in the value. Take a list with some items in it. Modify the print statements. And run the program. For given list value, the else block executes. Now change the value to an empty list. And run the program. For the given value, if block executes.
The execution of the program would be the same for other collection types as well. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next Python tutorial video. Until then, have a good time.